It's the final day of the cling film squishy week, and trust me when I say I feel like I've left the best till last. This one turned out so aesthetically pleasing. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, by the way, for all of the well wishes on yesterday's video when I explained I had to have a root canal. It went absolutely fine. Yeah, literally nothing to worry about. I was so nervous, but it was absolutely fine. So you heard it here first. If you have a root canal coming up, don't stress too much. If you are stressing in life right now, I can prescribe one thing, and that is to make this cling film squishy, okay? You need to get crafting this weekend. Get your cling film out, get your pillow stuffing, and create this along with me. So what you need to do to make the soap cling film squishy is take a piece of cling film. You need to lay it out on your desk and making sure that you've got no wrinkles towards the center. Take some pillow stuffing, pop it in the center, and wrap that in the cling film, taping it down into place. Along the two ends, you want to create a nice rounded edge. You may find that it goes a little bit straight, but you could just add small tape to it and pull it tight to make a more curved end. Once you have your little almost pillow of stuffing, what you'll need to do here is paint it. This is the fun part, I think. So for my paint, I always mix acrylic paint with fabric medium, as I explain in my videos, but anything will work here. You can cover it in acrylic markers, you can paint it with regular paint, you can paint it with fabric paint. Obviously, having a fabric paint or a fabric medium added will extend the life of your squishy, as it will flex more instead of cracking. But honestly, just use what you have already. We're all about the budget DIY crafts here. I want to save you money and get you crafting, so whatever you have, use that. So I painted mine in this light pink shade. I wrote on the word soap with a white acrylic paint, and then added some darker pink to create some shadows around the text. I then painted on the same color to act as the border of the soap, kind of as you see in cartoons. And then of course I decided to add a face. I did also add a full stop at the end of soap because I didn't quite center it. I always start my text with the center to try and center my text, but it never really works out. I mean, I was almost there. Either way, I painted on the single cutest face I have ever seen on a squishy. This is my go-to face for everything. You'll see this all the time in my own designs. I then decided the whole thing needed some sparkle, so I painted those on with some little dots as well, just to add a little extra pizzazz, as it is the end of the squishy week after all. A full week. We have made it. I'm so proud. I'm also really grateful for all of you who've left comments throughout this week and also joined the channel. I've gained so many new subscribers this week that I'm so grateful. So if you haven't already and you would like to, I would love it if you could subscribe to the channel. It really does help support me on my cute crafting journey. Any likes, any hypes, anything like that, it does help me out. And also any requests for any future videos coming are always welcome here. So the last step, as always with the cling film squishies, is to cover it in one final layer of cling film to protect all that paint. You want to tape it down into place, and then taking a needle, just add a few more air holes in so that you can increase the airflow of the squishy, making sure not to make any bubbles in that final layer. Okay, last layer of cling film is on, and our final squishy of the week is done. A full week of cling film squishies. I did it. Hopefully you've enjoyed it watching along. So let's do the final squish test of this little baby. Lovely, jubbly. Loving the colours that I did on this one. I think this is absolutely adorable. Aesthetically, I think this is the cutest one that I've done all week. Even though we did have the little rainbow bolt squishy, which I absolutely loved at the start of the week. We had the avocado, which I liked, the hot dog octopus, the ice cream, the little tooth I did yesterday. I mean, I'm just in love. I absolutely love this one though. I feel like I like the size of it as well. The other ones have been quite like jumbo in size, and this one here feels more like lifelike, like a good jumbo chunk of soap. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. So let me know which one has been your favorite throughout the week. Maybe I should do a little rate my cling film squishies with me or something, so we can test them out together. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the series this week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I shall see you very soon for another video.